Happy Sunday, y'all. We're doing a light little rainy day Ikea trip. I'm not really here to buy anything, but what I do kind of think that I need in my house is like a place to put my shoes. So if they have a good sale on a shoe holder, I think that we'll get it. You want to get one? I think that'd be cool. Do you like these lights?
Yeah.
I like this flower bed.
It's pretty. I like it too a lot.
I feel like it's a lot. It's a nightstand.
It's not bad.
For the whole thing?
For this combination.
Is it a king? Oh, I thought it was a headbest. It's the frame, bro.
And the bed frame. It says bed frame, bed base.
Is it pretty solid? Because I'd jump on it.
I like this. Isn't it cool for the bathroom? It doesn't have a price though.
It's free.
Looks like you're relaxed.
I feel pretty relaxed. Is that what it's for? Is that the monitor stand?
Yeah,
Or
to
stand
raise your
in general?
monitor to a more comfortable height, which reduces strain on your neck and shoulders. It's for your phone.
How does it work? Wow. I kind of would use that. I would use this at work, dude. I'm going to see if we can get some of these at work, bro, because my thing is too low. Sit. This one is cool. I don't know if I'd get the chair.
I want to get the chair. It's rustic desk in metal.
It's the back one. That's tricky.
Oh yeah. Do you need this for our office?
A cup holder, yeah. I want one of these for just to have.
I know where we put it.
I wonder if the vinyl player would fit in here. That'd be kind of.
Unless we take this one out. No, it's too skinny this way.
Oh yeah, for all your shoes. It's time for us to like set up our spring vibe. So what do you think we should get for our spring vibe?
I don't know what's more, but I think it's cool.
For sauces.
For
What are these,
yogurt.
salt shakers?
It's an egg holder.
Bruh, I don't eat one egg at a time. I might. That's a luxury item sometimes. This whole vlog is just gonna be me just recording myself going through Ikea. Oi. Stools. I found the shoe rack that I'm gonna get. I like this one because of the compartments that it has. It has up to 14. And then up here, you can't see that.
For my sunglasses, your keys, your work keys, my keys.
Yep. And change, and we can put this on top of it. Do you like this yellow one?
Yeah, it's pretty.
And we could put a mirror on top of that. Yeah, it's a mascot.
Okay. Right now today.
Yep. Yep.
What about
That
green
feels
one?
funny, dude.
Not that one,
That's kind of like the one we have, honestly.
but that is this one we have.
But there's no border on this one.
This is 150.
Whoa. Do you like the yellower one or the...
I like the green one. Look at my green one.
And then there's a bottom one too. But is it different? Oh, this one's like, has dots on it. This one's kind of nice. You're right.
That's the sickest one.
So many options. There are so many kitchen utensils. What are you gonna get? For you put your, we could put our tres leches pasta in there that we're still eating.
It's too tall.
Yeah, maybe just a 2 leches would fit in it. Fruits? What about vegetables? Your cucumbers?
This is so cute. It had a baby. I'd buy this for them.
Which one would you buy? This little thing?
So they can play house.
Too bad we don't know any babies. If Honey Daniel Lee was here, I'd get it for him.
I'd get it for him too. Look at they're even in there. How cute. Pink. You know what I want?
What's that?
Like more stainless steel ones rather than the ceramic ones. Room.
Dude, do you feel how the building bounces?
Pardon?
Do you feel how the building bounces? Freshly picked Tuntrod.
Where do you put it? In the middle table?
How about on the dinner table?
I could work like this.
These are cool.
This is pretty. You know who has these?
Who?
Like, not these specifically, but like a cabinet like this.
Who?
Montserrat.
Oh, Monse would like these. She would. She really would. And look at all these different dividers for it.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You could be a teacher for it. There's a cat nook.
Huh?
We don't have a cat, but if we had one.
A cat?
A itty bitty one.
Play.
We have these side tables, and they're chipped and they're ugly, and I felt bad throwing them away. But we've had them for like over a year now, and so I wouldn't be opposed to getting new ones.
The new one's like this height.
What do you think about that?
It's nice, but it's too low. You even have a green one.
They probably do online. But yeah, I agree. This is kind of sick. Like a little surfboard action.
Surfboard. Look at this one. $180.
Would you get this one?
A little one?
Yeah.
Where would you put it?
Well, next to our
That's the
chair.
number one question. Where would you put it? Let's look at home goods for them. I feel like we just didn't have a lot of time yesterday.
I feel like we had plenty of time.
Yesterday we had like less than an hour.
Oh yeah, that's true. I wonder if there's any value to like an insulated cup. Like, does it just keep the moisture off or what? I don't know.
Ooh, bro, for a glass of milk?
This is a crazy glass of milk. Let's see. That's a big old glass.
That's the glass I need.
You can put a big cookie in there.
For $4, you want sheer one?
For the living room? I wouldn't care if it was blackout. Do you like this? For the living room? Or this? Mm-hmm.
Room darkening.
I guess I gotta reevaluate the house and come up with a plan. Do you like the gray plaid one? This is kind of funky. This is a funky little vibe. This kind of looks like a street lamp. I was looking at the big version of that. You think it involves too much light? How's our lighting? In the nighttime, I like to read a nice book. And so I need a light that doesn't, I'm just kidding, I don't read like that, but Jocelyn does. And so it'd be nice to have a light that doesn't burn my eyes. So this one's kind of nice. And then we have this other one. I was just telling the chat how I like to read by bedtime. So you tell us, chat, which one should we do? I like this one better instead of this one. This one kind of looks like a little money sign. And it's $5. It's $5. You're thinking for the living room? For the living room? Yeah, I like it. Little entryway table. These are kind of sick. If you're into that vibe. These little odds and ends for just kind of like accent. I think this is here. I think if we got the lamp and this, it would kind of be more cohesive. That'd be nice. A little macaroni base. I think we're getting to the end of our trip. Didn't find anything else I needed. That's pretty much it, chat. There was nothing here really. Just kidding. But nothing that I needed, to be honest. just the shoe rack, but I'll come back and get that next time.
There's no room in this car.
There's no room in my car. Oh well.